MCI Cables is a leading manufacturer of high-quality cables, specializing in solar cables for residential, industrial, and commercial projects. Here, innovation meets precision. With an integrated, in-house electric cable production unit, we take control of every step, from design to delivery, with strict adherence to national and international standards and certified by leading labs including TUV and PCSIR. Introducing MCI solar cables. Engineered to withstand the toughest environmental conditions. Our cables are UV resistant and weather resistant, making them perfect choice for year-round use, even in extreme temperatures. What sets our cables apart? They're made with 99.9% tin coated pure copper, ensuring superior conductivity and corrosion resistance for maximum energy efficiency. XLPO and XLP insulation adds superior thermal, mechanical, and electrical properties to our wires, resulting in better reliability and the highest level of safety for your solar installations. Explore our full range of solar cables designed for your specific needs and elevate your experience today. Zero short circuit guaranteed. MCI cables preferred by professionals, trusted by industries.